If you're wondering that do you need to charge the Apple AirTag or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer is no. You do not need to charge the Apple AirTag because these AirTags do not use a rechargeable battery. Instead, they are powered by a standard CR2032 coin cell battery which lasts for about a year. Now, if you want to replace the coin cell battery of your AirTag, now doing that is very simple. Just place both of your thumbs on the metal cover of the AirTag. Now just press the metal cover of the AirTag and rotate it counterclockwise. Now after you do that, this metal cover will pop out from the frame. So just remove the cover. And from here, you will be able to replace the old coin cell battery with a new one. So just grab the new coin cell battery and place it in the AirTag. Then just grab the metal cover and place it on the AirTag, and similarly just press on the cover, but this time just rotate it clockwise. And after you do that, the metal cover will lock in place. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.